We're at the inn at Furnace Creek in Death Valley National Park. The inn is one of 4 lodges in this national park and also the nicest by far. There are 66 rooms here. Prices start at about $300, $350 a night. They're very nice. Hotel was built in the late 1920s, started in 1927, and the additions, I believe, were finished in 1930. Rooms vary. Most of them have really great views of the Panamint Mountains that are to the west of here. It's a hillside to the east. There's an oasis over to the side of the inn. A lot of palm trees and grass and flowering bushes here, only because of the availability of water. Once you get outside the inn's area, it's pretty desolate country. This is a very unique inn and a very nice place to stay. We're at the corner of the inn now. We're going to scan around and show you the oasis nature of this side of the building. Lots of palms, lots of grass, lots of blooming plants. Walkways all through this area. Kind of an amazing place considering we're in the middle of a desert environment here. It's a perfect day in Death Valley today. So here we'll show you what this would be like without the water. The pool is down below, and this is a popular place for the guests to relax. This is a view outside our room on the balcony. We're looking toward the west, and you can see the palms and the mountains in the background. And the true Death Valley you can see down that way. Some cars on the highway. This is a balcony for a number of rooms on this floor. We're on the second floor of the inn. Now we're coming into the room. This is a deluxe room with 1 king bed. Has a desk and a chair, a couple of chairs, has a fireplace that doesn't work, and a table. But you can see this is one of the larger rooms. Again, it's on the second floor. I'm going to walk toward the bathroom.
Large closet.
A large closet, and this is the bath with a spa tub. Has a shower also.
Nice coffee maker.
We're on the main road that runs through Death Valley. You can see the ranch is in the area down there, the green area down there with all the palms. And you can see it may be raining in the mountains to the left. And this is the sand, the rock area. We're now scanning around to the east. And we're going to show you soon the inn at Furnace Creek. Stands out from the rest of Death Valley here. A very unusual location. A little bit in the shade now, but this is the area that surrounds the inn at Furnace Creek, Death Valley National Park, California.